Hello guys, welcome to Java tutorial. Today's topic is operators. Actually, the operators are symbols that tell to compiler to perform specific action on data. Symbols such as plus, minus, multiplication, division, and so on. Operators are classified into different types such as arithmetic, unary, assignment, relational, logic, bitwise, and ternary operators. Let's move with arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators contain plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. Here remove all. Here take any two numbers. Number 1, scanner dot, and next int. Number 2, scanner dot, next int. Now take sum of two numbers. Here plus num2. Here plus is the operator. Num1 and num2 is operand. And subtraction sub num1 minus num2. And here multiplication num2. Yeah, now print that. SUM. SUM. SUB. MUL mul. And run the application. Now read first input 8 and second input 6. 8 plus 6 14 and 8 minus 6 2. 8 into 6 48. Comment below if you use division. And next move to unary operator. The unary operators work with a single operand. Unary operator. Now take one number. Dot. Next. Comment this all. We can perform increment, decrement, logical NOT. System dot pre-increment and one more post-increment. Run the application. Here enter the data. This print method print the data. Before printing, it increment the 8. 8 is become 9 and print the data. Next printer, first num contain 9 value. Now print the data. Num is increment. It become 10. And here print the num. It contain 10 value. Yeah. Comment below what we get the answer if pre-decrement, post-decrement. And next, assignment operator. Assignment operator. Here assign the value to variable. Like here to be equal to 8. This is symbol of assign, and we have different assign, add and assign, subtraction assign, multiplication assign, and divide assign. Here a plus equal to b, and look at the output. Here a and b here. Comment. Run the application. Here a value 10 and b value 8. Initially a value is 2, b value 8. Later a value change because here a plus equal to b. Here in internally a equal to a plus b. A equal to a plus b. The both are same here. A plus equal to b. Here a equal to a plus b is both are same. Now a value 2 here, b value 8. 2 plus 8 is 10 and assigned to a. So that's why we got 10 and 8. And if I perform here minus, we get here minus. Comment below what the answer. Minus 6 and 8. Here minus 6. Here a equal to a minus b. Here a value is 2. 2 minus 8 minus 6 and b is 8. And next move to relational. Relational operator used to compare the data. It return true or false. And operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Here a equal to 3, b equal to 7. Now we have to print the data. Now print here a double equal to b. If both values are same, it print the true, otherwise false. And a greater than, here a greater than b, it print the true, otherwise false. Here a less than b, it print the true, otherwise false. And one more, equal. Here a less than or equal b, a less than b, it print the true. If we equal also true, otherwise false. Here observe, we got false because first print is false. Both are not equal. Here a is 3, b is 7, so it false. A not greater than b. And here next a less than b, a is true. And here one more, a less than or equal b, a less than b only, so it true. And next move to logical operator. Logical operator. Logical operators work with Boolean values. The operators like logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Here, take Boolean A equal to false, and one more Boolean B true. Logical AND, if both side true, it return true, otherwise false. System internal A ampersand B. A is false, B is true. Here both side is true, it return true, otherwise false. Next, logical OR. And here logical NOT. Logical OR operator, if any one true, A or B, it return true, otherwise false. Logical NOT, if A is true, it return false. If A is false, return true. Yeah, first it print the false because A is false, and second return true because B is true. Is if any one true, return true. Logical NOT, if it false, return true. If it true, it return false. A is false, so it return true. And next move to bitwise operator. Bitwise operators, it work on bits. I will make a separate video on bitwise. In bitwise operators contain bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT. Take one random number and B 2. Here A ampersand, only single ampersand. In logical AND, double ampersand. Here single ampersand. Here B. We get the answer. The binary of 9 is 1 0 0 1. This is the binary of 9. And here 2 0 0 1 0. Here compare the positions. If both values are 1, we get the result 1, otherwise 0. The first position here 1 and 0, so we get the 0. And second here 1 upper is 0, so we get the 0. And here 0. And here 1 and 0, we get the 0 only. So the final output is 0. If I enter 3, the output is 1. The binary value of 3, here 1 1 0 0 0. Here compare that first position by here 1 here 1, so value is 1. And next 0 1, we get the 0, and 0 0 0, and 1 and 0 0, and final output is 1 only. And next here XOR operation, if both bits are same, return 0. If different bits, return 1. Here 1, here 1, so return 0. And here 0, here second position bit is 1. The both bits are different, so return 1. Like first bit both are same, so we return 0. And next here 0 and here 1, so here return 1. And here 0 0, both bits are same, so return 0. And next 1 and 0, so return 1. Now we got the binary bit 1010. We convert in numeric, the value is 10. Next move to ternary operator. Ternary operator like if else. Here a equal to 8, b equal to 7. Here take c value. Here a greater than b, and one more, here b. First check the condition. A greater than b, it return the a value put into c. If condition fail, the b value put into c. And let's print c. I am repeating again. If condition true, a greater than b, it return this position. If condition fail, it return this position. And the application, yeah, we got the 8. So a greater than b only. So condition true, is position value assigned to c. For now, that's it from my side. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.